Doug, you know, he had it when he was a kid, you know, and he's retired now. I spent about the last 2 years restoring it, more of a resto mod. I did the Coyote engine, and I'm showing Doug pictures from the beginning of all the fabrication work, but he has not seen the car since it's been painted. I told him after I sent him the last couple pictures of it in primer that he wouldn't see it again until I got to his house. So we're about 2 minutes from his house. I don't know if he'll be waiting outside or not. I know I'm pretty nervous and excited. I'm sure he is too. So we'll try to catch his reaction on live here. And then I'll take him for a ride, and I have a GoPro set up in the car so we can kind of catch his reaction on the first drive as well. So, pretty exciting. So we'll just hang out for a minute till we get to Doug's house.
Can I sit in it?
Oh, absolutely. So that's going to be nice.
Oh, man. Oh, so you moved the fuel gauge.
The original, the original 4-speed manual. I have the original 389. No. My original car was a 6-cylinder. This car I just bought.
Wasn't there a fuel pedal for window washer?
Yeah. Well, he's not planning on driving this in the rain.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, there was a little, because I used to have fun with that.
Mm-hmm.
I'd go tap the dash and then push that and act like somebody was new in the car. I'd go like that and then just keep on driving it. Well, you know, that's motion activated or pressure sensitive washers, wipers. I'd go like that. That was funny. I had fun doing that. Man, oh die. I see the gauges. Mine didn't have gauges. It had lights. Clock used to be here.
Yeah. OBD2 sensor in it.
Huh?
Got an OBD2 hookup on it.
Oh yeah, it does. I would like to have a console like this. Man. I thought it was, but it's not. I'm ready for a ride.
Let's do it.
This is baby fire.
Electric emergency brake.
You told me about that. Where's the release?
There's a button down here.
Oh, wow. Oh, man.
So it should be your lap be on the floor in between the door and the sill.
Oh, okay.
And here's your other side here.
Oh, okay.
Get a little warm.
Original style?
Yep. A little bit different than OEM, but
yeah.
where's a good place to go? I'm not familiar with.
Go up this way to the end of the road, then make a right. It's a loop I'd do for troubleshooting.
Okay.
Man, did that ever bring up memories? Oh my! I like the sound of it, and it even backfire.
Yep.
juice. Oh man, that sounds real close. I used to run thrust mufflers on it.
Okay.
And boy, when they were burned out, that sounds close to what they were like. Well, they really work when it gets up there. Oh, you got the tack working?
Yep.
Okay, we're straight until you can see there, and then it goes downhill around that S curve.
Okay.
We're going towards Bart's house. He lives right over there along the woods.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know he was going to be here. You know, we have two sharp turns here. Oh, that color was funny.
Okay, I know where we're at now.
Okay. Have you listened to the radio yet?
Honestly, I turned it on and then I turned it right back off.
Yeah, yeah. Holy cow. Maybe give me whiplash. Oh, you have a nice ball.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, good ball. And I'm not envious one bit, I'm proud.
That's awesome.
Yes, sir, proud.
So when was the last time you had ridden in the car?
It was 1979 probably,
Wow.
because I got out of the Air Force in 1980. In 79, I tore the rear end out again.
Okay.
So I lived in Virginia, and I set it at the end of an alley over the winter until I got out of the Air Force.
Okay.
And I rented a rider truck to bring everything back, and I had this on a tow bar.
Okay.
So I towed it back home, and then it sat at Dad's, and then I wish now I would have kept it back then instead of selling it to Mike,
Yep.
because it was in good shape.
Yeah.
But then job support, yeah, you can make it right up here if you
Yep.
want. Job in 1980 and 81 worked.
Drive a little bit.
Okay, we go to New Franklin. So I could use money, and Mike paid me an offer of $900.
Really?
Yeah.
$900. Wow.
Yeah, 1980, 80 or 81.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so I said, okay. I mean, people weren't collectors back then.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't think people collected was 1940 stuff.
Yeah.
And not, it wasn't as popular then as it is now.
Wow.
Wow. I praise the hair on my legs. That is great. Oh, God. Yeah, I thought you weren't going to put the wipers on it. Well, you'd have to get them inspected.
Yeah, and I have them. I just don't. I need to get the rubber for them before
Yeah.
I lay them on the windshield.
Yeah.
They're wired up. I didn't do the squirter.
Yeah, I noticed. My
'Cause
brother asked me if it was there, and I thought, no, he didn't do that, because people that were new to the car.
Yep. I didn't know what it
back then,
was.
no, I would, if it'd be piston, I'd be jumping tap the gas, and then put that pedal, make the pedal for it.
So I had to use that switch for everything to work right. So I still have the
did
switch
you?
off of it under the dash.
Oh, okay.
But yeah. So now when I turn them on, just that little nub just twists.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
the wiring harness over to the close to the section where the top of that pump went.
Yeah.
So I didn't have room for it.
Okay, we're keep on going down to the light.
Okay.
I'll take another way home.
Okay.
And this is a 6-speed.
Yep. Yep. 6-speed manual. Double the gears it had originally.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's one. Okay, make it right here, just like. Then we got a hill, and then some very rough railroad
tracks.
Oh, you do up there?
Yeah, my dad lives back this way.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. 68.
Did a guy stand back there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's he has a garage, and that building behind him, he has a bunch of cars like it, collectible cars.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. His name escapes me right now.
Yeah, my dad lives up in South Mountain, so I take this way when I go. Actually,
okay.
I brought the car up to his house 2 weekends ago.
Okay,
Still
well you
sorta-
bought these tracks then.
Yep, yeah, these tracks are terrible.
Oh, and they just redid these last year.
I can't really tell.
Oh my now.
There we go.
Yeah. Really quiets down nice. And I go straight.
Okay, I've never been this way.
Okay. And I think that's all original still there.
Yep, I changed out the rubber and the groove that the window runs in, but all of that was original.
It always did polish up nice.
Yep.
Okay, we got a bit of a turn here and a longer turn after this. I know they can hear it from the house.
Are we pretty close?
We go around this turn and another turn, and then we'll go up to a stop sign, a yield sign, and go over the
Are we
track.
coming up behind your house then?
No, right up from the front there. They'll be sitting probably looking down this way.
Oh, okay.
How do you have it insured?
The collector car insurance.
Okay.
So it's covered for what it's worth. That way, if anything were to happen.
Okay. Wow.
Alright, I know where we're at now. You're right up there. Yep.
Yep, right up there. Yep. And you're okay this way. All the way. That was cool. You can back right in here if you want. Or keep on going, it don't matter.
There we go.
like that. So the light, come on, you got a ship light.
Ship light. Yep. Yeah, I got it set at 6800 right now.
6800.
Yep.